This is a 2012 Toyota Camry. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all new tires. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a sunroof, heated seats, the Toyota Entune infotainment system, an iPod-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you, XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: voice recognition, a pollen filter, cruise control, leather seats, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a collapsible steering column, a pass-through rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.